AirDrop is only for Apple devices and can't be used on Android. Here are the best alternatives for sharing files between Android devices or between Android and iPhone. Let's dive in. Part 1. Can I AirDrop between Android and iPhone? No, you can't AirDrop between Android and iPhone. AirDrop is exclusive to Apple devices, like iPhones, iPads, and Macs, using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for fast, secure sharing. Android lacks the software and protocols to support it. Part 2. The top 4 AirDrop for Android alternatives. 2.1 Mobican Transfer for Mobile. As a remarkable AirDrop for Android, Mobican Transfer for Mobile is a highly praised one-click solution for transferring data between devices. Step 1. Launch the software after installation and connect your iPhone and Android devices to your computer via USB. Follow the on-screen guide to identify the devices. Step 2. Select devices, choose the sender as the source and receiver as the target. Use the flip button if needed. Step 3. Start transfer, select the data and click Start Copy. You'll be notified once the transfer is complete. 2.2 Snapdrop. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. Open Snapdrop in a browser on each. On Android, tap your iPhone's name and select the files. Accept the files on your iPhone to download and save. 2.3 AirDrop. Android to Android. Install AirDrop. Ensure both devices have it. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Turn them on. Open AirDrop. Launch the app. Select Files. Choose Files. Discover device. Select the receiver. Accept transfer. Confirm on the receiver. 2.4 Nearby Share. Android to Android. On both Android devices, go to Settings, Google Devices, and Sharing Nearby Share, and enable it. Set visibility. Open the file, tap Share, select Nearby, and choose the device. The recipient will get a notification to accept the transfer.